Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add realistic lighting in your Roblox studio. Alright guys, so this will be a quick one anyways, so let's run into it. So you can see guys, I've opened up my Roblox studio. So after that, you then go ahead and open up a template that you want. Now let's go ahead and choose a template that will enable us to add realistic lighting. So click on see all so I can see all the templates. Now I'll choose a template which is more of a city like this one here, modern city. All right, so go ahead and open the template. So opening a template obviously takes a few minutes, like 2 to 1 minutes, depending on the template you're opening and the resources needed. So you can see guys, it's loading, but adding realistic lighting only is possible if you're using a modern city template. Okay. All right, so this is our template. This is how it looks like. And you can see, guys, obviously we're looking into the buildings. And over here, it has to first initialize the plugins. All right, so guys, this is our modern city template. This is our modern city template. Okay, and that's how it looks like. Now, for you guys to add a realistic lighting in your modern city templates, you are first of all need to do a bit of adjustments. You need to do a bit of adjustments. Now, adjustments on what? On the buildings. Okay. Just a little adjustments on the building. And now, guys, to add the color, you just need to right click and then refresh. Alright, you can see, guys, so now the realistic lighting has already come up. So you can see now this is more like daylight. More like daylight. Okay. Yes, you can still move around all the buildings that you want, but still the realistic lighting is now being shown over here. So basically that's it guys. Please like our video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.